Hey everyone, 2026 iPhone 18 Pro leaks are heating up. New renders show burgundy, coffee, and purple as potential signature colors for the Pro lineup, pushing a richer and more expressive palette. Insiders also suggest Apple could move back to titanium instead of aluminum, aiming for a more premium feel and stronger durability. iPhone 18 Pro is expected to keep the 6.3-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display, powered by a new 2nm chip with 12GB RAM. Camera upgrades may include a triple 48MP system with variable aperture on the main lens and improved low-light processing for sharper night shots. iPhone 18 Pro Max should remain at 6.9 inches, possibly with a battery around 5200 mAh, vapor chamber cooling, and Apple's next-gen modem. Meanwhile, iOS 27 is rumored to support devices from iPhone 12 series and newer. If colors evolve but sizes stay, is that enough to upgrade?